In this video, let us understand how to make employee leave management online. So it's a web application project with ASP.NET, C# language, SQL Server as a backend. But this project can be developed with the different languages too, like Java, JSP, or PHP, or Python. First, let us understand the project concept. So this project basically for the student who are doing a computer science course like BE, BCA, they all need to do a project. So in order to do a project, you require a title. So this is one title. Therefore, if you interested in the leave management, definitely you can choose the title. So look at the scope. So this kind of project will be applicable for all the companies. So with the payroll, leave management is very important. Therefore, once you complete this project in future, if you for a job, it's a good selection. So it's a good idea. So therefore, you can present this project when in the interview. The chances are good that you can be observed because you know like how to write this project and also therefore you'll give an experience. That experience definitely will help to get the job. Therefore, concentrate on this and then complete the project step by step. So we have definite videos like how to do the project and all. Watch them and then learn how to make the project and then implement it. But here we'll show the complete project demo in a short time. Therefore, you'll get a complete idea. So here is a company. So company will have the employees. So we provide an option for employee to sign up. So they can sign up. So here is the company side. There is admin module. So admin can log in. So here you can see the employee sign up. So overall sign up, then employee give the approval for them. So once the employee approved, so then this employee can log in. They can apply for leave. So once the leave is applied, so here admin can approve the leave or he can reject the leave, right? But you can see the status here is the leave status. What happened to your leave, whether it's approved or not. So this all online. So therefore you can see that the advantage of online is so you don't need to meet the HR people to get the leave approval or your manager to get the leave approval. So everything is online. So therefore it saves the time for you as well as the company. Everything is recorded. So it is easy to manage the leaves. Okay, so therefore from the employee side you can apply, on the admin side to give the approval. Now let's see the demo like how it works. So if you have any project requirement, you can please contact us. It may be a customized projects, it may be a different type of projects. So any projects, so we can help you out on this. Now I'll show the demo of this project. So here we are using Visual Studio. So here is the project title and these are the files. So this is the employee module and whatever is started with admin is admin module. And here are the tables. So these are the tables which are using in this particular project. Now select the project and then run. So I'll take to the main page here. So we can get in. We can put a lot more pictures here. Options are very much open. So now we can log into admin. So here are the admin options. So qualification designation for the employees and here is the employee approval and then we can write the leave types. Now what we can do is we can go log in as an employee. Find employee. First I'll go to employee sign up. So I'll fill up all the details. So fill up all the details and then you have to submit. So once you submit, employee has to give the admin has to give the approval. Here is employee approval. If it's approved, then you can able to log in here. So now I already have a employee approved. So here you can type E1. So then this is E1, then E1, and here we have a different type of okay employee, team leader, and project manager. So first we log in as an employee. Log in here. So then leave status or report. So apply for leave. So this is a casual leave. So what date to what date you want, that you need to enter. So number of days, 2 days. This will take June. So reason. So traveling to my native. So now you are applied for the leave. So now here is a leave status. So first you need to know the ID. So 1004 is the ID. So therefore you can check this. So it's still not approved. So it's pending actually. So then we can log out. So we can log in as a team leader. So view leave request. So here is E1 for 2 days. Okay, so then what you have to do is we have to give the approval. So on selecting that, you are giving the approval for the leave. Okay, so now TL is approved. So then what we can do is we can log out from the TL, then we can log in as a team manager. So that is M1. So project manager. Okay, so this is P1. Okay, so now here you can see that leave approval request. So here is he has to approve this. So select. So approved. So now if I go to leave request again, so you can say PL is approved here. You can also reject. Okay, you want to approve or reject. So log out. Now you can log in as E1. That is our original employee. Log in. Sorry, this is admin login. Okay, so we get to go back and then so login as employee. So this is E1, then employee. Now check the status, leave status. So now this is 1004. Fine. So two are approved. So only one more step is required. So if this is approved, your leave will be approved. So now I'm going to go to admin. So in the admin also there is a leave approval. So you can see that here it is. So we can select this. So here is application employee type. It's expired. So because of that, it's showing error. So you need to log in again. Fine. So you can go here and then you can select. Now it's approved. So now the employee can able to view the data. So just go to employee again. So this is employee login. Now you can check the status here. So your ID is 1004. So now all the three levels are approved. So here we have multi-level. So employee, team leader, project manager, then the admin. So your leave has to be approved in three stages. Once is the leave is approved in the three stage, then only you'll get the approved leave. So therefore, when you log in as an employee, so each employee has to log in and you apply for leave. Then the team leader has to approve it, and then project manager has to approve. Then the admin will approve. So once the admin is approved, then leave will be approved. So this is the concept in the leave management. So it's done here. So therefore, you need to plan this way, and then you need to complete the whole project. So if you have any doubt, let me know what doubts you are having. So please try this, and please subscribe to our channel, and we'll bring more videos. Keep watch, keep learn, get the experience.